Energy community for me basically is a group of people that joins to make a better use of the energy and produce energy, consume energy more efficiently and share this energy, and also try to interact with the energy system for to get not economical profit but to get a more sustainable one. Analyzing how communities are created, studying how they should grow to be sustainable and economically feasible, and finally how to manage these communities. For me this is a very important issue in the project. RESCHOOL has some very important questions to solve, and I think that these questions are those that any energy community has to think about. No? These questions are, for example, what are the size of an energy community, how many participants, how many households, SMEs, what type of participants should be part of the community, what is the business model behind the community, is necessary the participation of the administration, what is the role of the administration in the energy community, how should they manage the change of roles, the technology. So we want to explore what are the technologies they need, we want to deploy these technologies and also develop strategies to increase the awareness and the participation of people in the community. What I think is important is the lessons we learn from this. Okay? So I hope from deploying these technologies and these solutions at the different pilots with different cultures, with different weather, different roles, etc., we will learn a lot and we will be capable to create some guidelines, to create a blueprint, to interact with policymakers, with different administrations. We have two strategies. One is starting to develop training materials that will be give to young people at the schools. So we want to create a strategy based on the participation of the schools, and the idea is to analyze how this knowledge is transferred to the families, to the older people, and at the end this knowledge about the sustainability and about the use of energy, the efficient use of energy, will help to create this framework, and at the end will contribute to create or to enlarge the communities by improving the participation. Now, another important point, I think, is the incentivation inside the community. No? So this is the strategies we have inside in the project to learn that a better use of energy has some gains. No? These gains could be in terms of economical benefits, reduction of the bill, for example, and this will be done in RESCHOOL by using a strategy based on serious gains. The objectives we have defined for the project are aligned with the pilots, with the objectives that these starting communities have, and also with the objectives that at the European level have been fixed for the participation of the citizens into the energy sector. So we are very enthusiastic in reaching the objectives we have fixed for the project, and we hope to learn a lot and extract guidelines to influence the policymakers and administrators.